Hello, this is Ashley Cockrell here at Vine Grove Elementary. We've had a great turnout tonight at our open house. This year, our theme is Ohana, which is family, and we can't wait to see all of our kiddos.
I'm Bethany Vaughn, and we are a family resource with Vine Grove and JT Alton, and we're sharing cradle school information as well as family resource information and the dental program that comes to the schools.
If people would like more information, is there a phone number?
There is a phone number right here on the card, and it is 270-877-6434.
This is one of our outstanding community members. Miss Sherry Prince is here today. She is cutting hair. She is at Rita's Hair Designs along with her buddy over here. They've been cutting a lot of hair for our youngsters, and they donate a lot of time and talent to the community. And any weird thing in terms of what people want for their hair tonight, Miss Sherry?
I just did a mohawk.
Oh, a mohawk, okay. Well, that looks pretty good on most people, but not me. Okay, all right. If anyone would like additional information about Rita's, you can call 270-877-0600.
I'm Kathy Dowdell. I'm here tonight for the car riders in the afternoon. If parents pick their children up in the afternoon, we will give them a car tag so they can just drive through, and we'll associate their kid with the number. They don't even have to get out of their car.
We are at our bus transportation booth here at Vine Grove Elementary. Our talented bus drivers are trying to help parents figure out what routes and give parents information about what their children need to know about riding the school bus in Vine Grove. And if you have any questions, you can call the bus garage at 270-769-8890. You can also go online and you can find your child's route through a computer-generated map system. Be careful when you're driving. Make sure you follow the bus in terms of slow down, and give our drivers at least a week to get those routes in hand, so be patient. Now we have the wonderful staff holding up the mini shirts that are available for our students. So what are the themes? Are there different themes?
It's a different shirt for each grade level.
Different shirt for each grade level. Okay, so we got first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, correct?
First was down there, yeah.
First all the way down there. All right, have a great school year.
Thank you.
Woo-hoo.